Yeah,
Okay. Hello, Rajat. Nice to see you. Dr. Rajat here. Mm. No, sorry. He's Rajat and he's working with DY Patil. Okay. MCA department, 3 years of experience. Nice to see you. Yes. I would like audience to please. Yeah. Okay. Bhagyesh Kulkarni. Acha. PG DAC. B. Experience 3+ years as a software engineer. Very nice. I would like, somebody said hello, sir. So please put your name also because your name is not coming in the chat. You're saying it is shown as HP. Pooja. Pooja. Okay. Years of experience 5.5. Quality engineer. Minds Hyderabad. Nice. Nice to see you, Pooja.
thank you, sir.
Yes. Shirin. BCS. Okay. Computer science. Fresher finding job in IT field. Okay. Nice to see you, Sirin. Harshali. Completing degree in BSc IT. Okay, fresher. You are still doing, Harshali, you are currently undergoing the course and maybe you will complete this year, right? Bhakti. I have completed BCA and now pursuing MCA second year. Okay, great. Also, I have done certification in full stack Java development. Okay. Interested in working with data. Okay. That's interesting, Bhakti. Nice. So we have few freshers, few experienced guys, few from software industry, few are from academia. Okay, HR. Wow. Tanaya. Completed bachelor's in music, pursuing MBA in HR. Interesting, Tanaya. Nice to see you here. Tejasvi, MCA first year. Okay, at DY Patil. My graduation, journalism and computer science. Okay, journalism and computer science. Interesting. Tejasvi, interesting. Journalism. So you are planning to go in journalism? Means I'm curious because you have degree in journalism and computer science. So is it like you're trying to do some kind of application of computer or data science in journalism? That would be interesting angle to take today in the masterclass. Yes, Tejasvi. Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Last call. Anyone else would like to share their details? Somebody also can put it unmute and speak as well. You can just briefly tell your name, background, years of experience, and current working field. Okay, Sanskar, ENTC, Bharati Vidyapit, fresher. Okay, interesting, Sanskar. Oh, your college name is journalism. Oh, okay. Which we you have done BSc then? Means BSc Computer Science, Tejasvi. No, it's BCA. Okay, no problem. Okay, BCA and then MCA you're done. Okay, nice. Okay, great. Nice, nice audience. So we have few freshers and few experienced guys, few from almost everyone from computer or IT background or ENTC background, which is very interesting, very nice. That's great. Most everyone from computer background. That makes sense. So I will like to keep the discussion in this this direction, especially implementations related to computer science and those things. Okay, I think few of you are joining right now. So I would request anybody here who is not from computer background, because see, I'm asking everyone for the introduction and many of them have sent their details and most of them sound to be from computer or IT or ENTC. Anybody here from non-IT background? So that I can discuss the case studies, arrange the masterclass details, detailed discussion in that manner. So I'm asking, um, acha, you are man. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Tanu, and there is one MBA also. Right, right, right. Two are MBA HR. Tanaya and Tanu. Okay, MBA. Okay, nice to know that MBA guys are interested. Yes. That's nice. Any other field? So we have MBAs, we have computer, ENTC, IT guys. We have experienced guys and freshers. Yeah. Okay. Any other last call? See, I'm doing data analysis. Basically, I'm data analyst, data science. So I am doing data analysis of my audience so that I can start the discussion in that direction. Okay. So a simple thing, understand. See, sometimes data science or AI is thought as a very big field, or sometimes people think that it's a very, very different field or something. Uh, I would like to tell you that, okay, if you naturally see ourselves taking decisions, when we take any decisions, generally what we do, we think about some situation, we think about some criterias, we have some parameters. So let's say I am supposed to take a decision that what I am supposed to speak today in the details. I have some PPT, but then what are the case studies to be discussed, what are the details to be shown, ये सब जब मुझे सोचना है, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम थिंकिंग सम पैरामीटर्स, मैं पैरामीटर सोच रहा हूँ। मेरा एक पैरामीटर है कि ऑडियंस का बैकग्राउंड क्या है। सो आई एम आस्किंग यू, सो आई हैव क्विकली गैदर्ड सम डिटेल्स, जैसे अभी अभी जाधव भाई भवी ने भेजा है दैट आई completed BCA pursuing MCA second year, fresher interested in working with data. So the point is I am gathering data and uske basis pe I am doing little bit of analysis, and based on that I am going to take a decision to uh, tell you what are the different things in the data science, what are the different things happening in AI, and what are the case studies happening and all that. So I would be modulating my whatever details of this particular workshop, okay, based on that. So simple. What I mean to say is understand data science and AI when we say, तो data science ये कोई बहुत अलग बात नहीं है. We do carry out data science things in daily day-to-day life. We take decisions. How many of you agree with me? Type A in the chat box that in day-to-day decisions we carry out data science things in small manner. Data analysis, छोटा सा data collect करते हैं, छोटा सा analysis करते हैं, फिर decision लेते हैं. How many of you agree with me? Yes, type A in the chat box. Okay, great, great, wonderful. So, guys, yes. So, data science field is inspired by humans taking decisions based on analysis. It is basically, any intelligent being, कोई भी एक intelligent being होगा, वो यही करेगा. This is what he is going to do. He is going to take some facts, take some data, do a little bit of analysis and take a decision. So same inspiration goes into the field. Coming to AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, guys, tell me how many of you agree with me? Like, or I would say, how many of you seen something like this happening in the animal society? जहां पे तुम ये देखते हो कि कुछ एनिमल्स इंटेलिजेंटली डिसीजंस लेते हैं, जैसे कैट. कैट जंप्स. अगर कैट, तुमने देखा होगा कैट का बिहेवियर जनरली दोपहर को बहुत एक्टिव होते हैं, कि जब लोग थोड़े शांत हो जाते हैं घर में, इन द आफ्टरनून टाइम दे आर वेरी एक्टिव, बिकॉज आफ्टरनून टाइम में कुछ तो उनको मिलेगा, कोई तो घर में खाली कुछ रहेगा वहां पे जंप करेंगे, कोई तो गैलरी से जंप कर देंगे. समथिंग लाइक दैट. कैट्स और डॉग्स, दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट बीइंग. अगर तुमने देखा होगा डॉग्स टेक्स डिसीजंस कि कब कौन से पर्सन पे एंग्री होना है एंड ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन इंटेलिजेंस around yourself, maybe kids doing something intelligently? So how many of you seen intelligence around yourself? Type S in the chat box. Type S in the chat box if you say you have seen intelligence seen around in the beings, अलग अलग animals में या लोगों में. You see very commonly. Yes, okay. N. Tejas says N. I think yes करना है शायद तेजस को. Okay, typo हो गया शायद. You want to say no, Tejas? Like it would be interesting discussion if you want to say no. आई होप यू मीन टू से यस. राइट, तेजस टाइपो हो गया शायद. एन टाइप हो गया. टाइपिंग मिस्टेक. ओके, थैंक यू तेजस्वी फॉर दैट. Okay, bhakti, puja, and all. Everyone is saying. So, yes, so the point is, guys, AI and data science, these are the fields which are inspired by nature and the situations around how humans behave, how humans take decisions. This is what is talking about. This is what is bringing this field and why this field becomes very very interesting. ये field इतना interesting क्यों हो रहा है? Why this is becoming so popular? Because human decision making is very interesting. It is very interesting to see how humans take decisions, how they consider automatically, even a small kid automatically considers few parameters and takes decisions. They apply intelligence, they are taking decisions, and those decisions sometimes give wonderful results. Obviously, sometimes those doesn't give a lot of good results. That is fine. But the point is that when humans are taking decisions, then they apply intelligence, they apply analytics, they apply some science to take the decisions. Okay, and that's why these fields are becoming very interesting for the industry. What software wants to do, field, or you can say companies want to automate decision making. Okay, that's their goal. They think that, okay, let's say humans are able to take the decisions, they are going to apply data science, they are going to apply intelligence. So can we replicate this in the machines, automate decision making of machines? I think somebody turned on the mic by mistake. um, I would request coordinators to make me co-host. Yeah, I'm co-host. Okay, great, thank you. Okay. So companies, what they want to do is they want to automate decision making for the machines or for the softwares. I would better than machines, I would say softwares. Okay, because that makes a more sensible thing. So uh, डिसीजन मेकिंग को ऑटोमेट करना है हमें सॉफ्टवेयर में. एंड कौन डिसीजन लेते हैं? हु आर द पीपल अराउंड विच वी सी डिसीजंस टेकिंग? ह्यूमंस कॉमनली, और सम एनिमल्स अप्लाइंग सम इंटेलिजेंस या सम एनालिसिस. ह्यूमंस जनरली टेक सम डेटा, डू द एनालिसिस, टेक अ डिसीजन. सो गोल क्या है कंपनीज का? टू ऑटोमेट द decision making, and that's why AI, data science, these kind of fields are coming up in big boom. Okay, so let's go in little bit of details of AI and data science step by step. What is AI? AI or artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by a software or a machine. Okay, so understand that when we are talking about AI, um, it is always about the software. It is never about the machine in the sense of hardware. Keep that in mind. even if we are talking about AI in AI sort of thing inside IoT devices or inside very small hardwares, still we always focus on the software part of that hardware, not the hardware itself. So AI, data science, everything is being applied with softwares when we say them as machines. As task, another important aspect of AI, which is, or you can say data science today, is that as the task achieved by AI becomes routine, next level tasks are considered as AI. Keep that in mind that like think about very common things which some people would say AI maybe 10 years back or 20 years back. थिंक अबाउट इट व्हेन यू टेक ए फोटो, एक फोटो निकालते हो, एक फोटो में फेस रिकॉग्नाइज हो जाता है दैट दिस इज ह्यूमन बीइंग. हाउ मेनी इफ यू कंसिडर दैट एआई टाइप वाई इन द चैट बॉक्स, दैट यू कंसिडर कि सर मैंने एक फ़ोटो अपलोड किया ऑनलाइन और मेरा फेस एक एक स्क्वायर आ जाता है मेरे फेस के साइड में, मेरे डॉग के फेस के साइड में, मेरे रिलेटिव मेरे फ्रेंड के फेस के साइड में एक स्क्वायर आ जाता है. यू कंसिडर दैट ए आई टाइप वाई इन द चैट बॉक्स कि यस यस ए आई है, इसकी वजह से फेस रिकॉग्नाइज हो रहा है. या राइट. ग्रेट, ग्रेट, वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल. नाउ यू टेल मी कि अगर मैंने एक डॉक्यूमेंट स्कैन किया, मैंने आई एम राइटिंग समथिंग बाय माय हैंड, मैं मेरे हैंड से कुछ लिख रहा हूँ, आई एम राइटिंग समथिंग, लेट्स से माय किड कॉमनली डज दिस कि मेरी मेरी जो बच्ची है वो क्या करती है कि वो लिखती है असाइनमेंट्स, एंड हर असाइनमेंट्स हैव टू बी अपलोडेड बाय स्कैनिंग. तो उसके असाइनमेंट्स हम ऑनलाइन अपलोड करते हैं. सो व्हेन शी स्कैन्स द थिंग्स, तो टेल मी, वो उसने जो लिखा है राइटिंग वॉट एवर इंग्लिश हिंदी जो भी लिखा है, कन्वर्टिंग दैट इनटू recognizing the characters from the image, recognizing characters from the image, how many of you consider that as AI? Type y in the chat box कि सच में AI है वो. Really, really, दिस वेरी कॉमन टास्क राइट. यस. तो कितना कॉमन हो गया है. सो रियली हम जो कॉमन टास्क है जैसे थंब प्रिंट, यूर मोबाइल अनलॉक्स विथ योर थंब or whatever, some fingerprint unlocking is uses AI. So now you think कि वो तो इम्प्लीमेंट हो गया, नाउ वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि एआई मतलब और कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होना चाहिए. इजंट दैट कि ये जो कॉमन टास्क जिसमें एआई यूज हो रहा है, वी ऑलरेडी आर थिंकिंग कि यस यस ये तो हो गया, अभी कम ऑन, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डेवलप सम सॉफ्टवेयर टू recognize characters. Yes. How many of you say that you would be interested in developing a software to recognize characters from the image? Already वो AI हो चुका है. Yes. Type N in the chat box if you are not interested in such softwares that अरे हाँ ये तो AI already implemented है. Yes. Type N in the chat box if you think that ये तो already implemented है, इसको हमें फिर से implement करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yeah, Tanaya says no. Yeah, that's right. And okay, Mahesh also agrees with me and says N. So guys, yes. So that's the point कि जैसे जैसे टास्क अचीव होते जाएंगे, नेक्स्ट लेवल थिंग्स वुड स्टार्ट बिकमिंग एआई. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड दैट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एआई, आज भी हम एआई बात कर रहे हैं, 100 साल पहले भी लोग एआई बात कर रहे थे. बट द पॉइंट इज देयर एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम एआई वर डिफरेंट. आज हमारे एआई से एक्सपेक्टेशन अलग है. Our expectations from AI are changing, and that's what we are thinking, that human speech recognition today, we think that human speech recognition is an AI thing today. जब हम चैट जीपीटी को वॉइस मैसेज देते हैं एंड इट इंटरप्रेट्स इट, वी थिंक दैट दैट्स एन एआई. लेकिन जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया रिसेंटली कि अभी जस्ट हमने डिस्कस किया कि ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन, कि व्हेन आई स्कैन समथिंग एंड मेरे कैरेक्टर्स रिकॉग्नाइज हो रहे हैं, दैट इज नो लॉन्गर कंसिडर एज एआई. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉमन टास्क नाउ, एआई इज डूइंग इट बट इट इज डूइंग वेरी कॉमनली. सो people are not considered that as AI. Okay. सो अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एआई और डेटा साइंस, जब हम डेटा साइंस की बात करते हैं तो कॉमन टास्क जो है डेटा साइंस के, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट योर प्रोजेक्ट्स अगर तुम एक बेसिक कुछ करते हो तो। वाई? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी दैट बेंचमार्क हैज पास्ड, ऑलरेडी वो बेंचमार्क पास हो गया है, आपको आगे जाना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू गो अहेड। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I was, like you would have some sessions about uh, Tableau or Power BI or some programming, Python, and all those things. So, guys, understand that you have to come out of द बेसिक थिंग दैट ओके यही है डेटा साइंस, यही बेसिक्स है। हम जो जितना बस बेसिक यूट्यूब पे देख लिया तो वही डेटा साइंस हो गया, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। सो आर टीचर्स हियर, आर ट्रेनर्स वुड बी गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल, training you on something which is really required by the industry. Okay, so like I introduced you AI, so what is data science? So guys, understand today data science is coming out of the basic definition that data science means dealing with data. Okay, dealing with data, you can say scientifically, with some procedures, with some procedures and tools to find patterns and take decisions. So data science में क्या हो रहा है? We are going to deal with the data with some kind of fixed procedures, scientific. It's a scientific process. So we are going to apply some processes, we are going to apply some procedures, we are going to apply some tools in a particular way, like our experts would be talking you about Power BI or Tableau or Python and cloud, Linux. We will be talking about database, we'll be talking about AI, we'll be talking about machine learning, deep learning, different tools, different frameworks we'll be talking about, which will enable you to handle the data, apply some fixed procedures, apply some scientific processes on that, and find patterns and take decisions. Now understand that tools and procedures will keep on updating. So keep in mind that, especially with the introduction of AI, we have to know that the tools or the uh, languages which you're going to see, the tools which you are going to see, their updations are going to happen, and our trainers are going to train you on the latest things, train you for the industry, what industry wants. At the same time, you on your side also has to take that responsibility, that you have to understand that okay, there can be updations. Okay, so especially coming to the latest things like AI tools or tools for deep learning, machine learning, and these kind of fields are updating very fast. Okay, we will be discussing them in your curriculum. Okay, and we will be giving you that, what do you say, a launch pad. We will be giving you a launch pad based on which you can actually learn the gross things, you can learn those concepts which are necessary to adapt yourself to the upcoming tools, to the upcoming industry, and those things. Now, why are we talking about data science? Can anyone tell me why are we talking about data science? Because then it will be very clear. Or why are you interested in data science? One or two people, I would like to hear from you. You can unmute and say, you can speak. Okay. Yes. Why are we talking about data science? Or why are you interested in AI and data science? क्यों? I'd like to know from you so that I understand the audience better. You can unmute and speak, or you can put it in the chat. Even short, in a short way, that is fine. Okay, chalo. Let me take a poll. Chalo, keep it simple. How many of you want a job? Type J in the chat box. That's why you are joining, or that's why you are interested in data science and AI field. Type J in the chat box. That okay, you are joining this, or you are interested in this field because you are looking for a job in this field. Okay, 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 great. Bhagyesh is saying that learn and apply my skills to real world problems. That's interesting. And find a job also. Okay, great. But it's really interesting, Bhagyesh, that you have some other thing other than job. That's nice. Okay. And many of you are interested in job. Yes, wonderful. Very nice. So yeah, Shirin, Krishna, Yash, Atharva, Rajat, Harshali, Mahesh, Tanu, Bhakti, everyone. Okay, great. You are Aniket. Very nice. Nice. So the point is that yes, like major driving force to join this field is getting a job or getting an engagement. I'd like to say that guys understand when we are going to train you here. Uh, yes, obviously we are going to offer you placement opportunities. Our director placements have discussed with you. Uh, but at the same time, as a trainer, I would say that you should develop your skills. Develop skills, upgrade yourself in a way that industry would be interested in you. That should be your goal rather than you just searching for a job or just doing something to get a job. You upgrade yourself, you put those efforts, you put that dedication in this course. I know this is an online course and बहुत easy हो जाता है चीज़ें, but understand that the tough part of this course is that you have to do the dedicated part. You have to put that dedication. We would be taking sessions on Saturday, Sundays. So the other time in the week, you have to take that dedicated steps to actually upgrade yourself, put those efforts. You should be interested. So how many of you are really interested in putting those efforts even on the other days, and you would be really putting efforts to complete the assignments, complete the mini projects and extra things? You would be coming up actively in the sessions. So how many of you are interested in that way? Type I in the chat box. You are really interested that okay सर ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ हम सैटरडे संडे करेंगे बस, हाँ चलो 4 घंटे का सेशन हो गया, बहुत कर लिया मैंने डेटा साइंस AI. You won't be in that mood. Like Bhagyesh is saying, Pooja is saying that they are really interested, they will be putting those efforts. So because see guys, understand that we are giving this for professionals, those who are already BTech guys, those who are already completed their some basic qualification, and you really want to put those efforts into you are interested in this field. It's not that कि हमें तुम्हें पीछे लगना पड़ेगा. We will have to, okay, our coordinators have to keep on calling you, चलो चलो करो assignment करो, and you are not present in the class. ये these kind of people we don't want. Okay, we want dedicated people. We want people who would take interest, who would take initiatives, okay, to carry on the tasks given, carry on the things given, because then only you would be developing your skills. Okay, one thing we would guarantee as trainers, I know my team, we would be putting 100% from my side. The trainers I would say that trainers, myself, would be dedicated to train you, and you bring in any damn thing. तुम कुछ भी लाओ, तुम कुछ भी बोलो, सर डेटा साइंस में ये भी चीज़ इंक्लूडेड है. We would make sure that we would put those efforts to get you those things. Okay, for sure. At least as a trainer, or I would give that dedication, and I am sure my team is in that spirit, that we are dedicated towards you to give you that best technologies, best tools offered, latest things about the syllabus, about the technologies, about the interview questions, how to approach the interviews, about the communication skills, about the aptitude from all the modules side. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of you are very much interested, so I'm very happy that this I think our coordinator Sunil sir, or even others who are sitting here and attending the sessions, would be very happy with you guys, that you guys are very much interested in carrying out the things. You are interested in the subject matter, and you are taking initiatives. You are ready to take initiatives as you go ahead. So that is very nice. So why data science? So you guys are dedicated, so I'm very happy that you are interested in data science. So why data science? Because you are interested. That's wonderful answer I'm getting. And this is my this is the answer which I was looking for. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए कि इंडस्ट्री में ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, लेकिन we are interested in data science, and that's why we are participating in data science. Yes, so wonderful, very nice. Now I would like to take 2 minutes to discuss one very important thing, that what is the impact of AI on data science which is happening, and especially the job market. Okay. How many of you think, please respond in the chat, that how many of you think that job market is slow? Type S in the chat box if you think it is slow, that it's slowed down. There is a slowdown in the market. People are not uh, ready to accept or absorb a lot of people in the industry, especially in the software industry. Okay, how many of you say that there are opportunities in the market? Type O in the chat box. You think positive. One thing is slow, and another is like there are a lot of opportunities in the market. Type O in the chat box. You think that there are opportunities. Okay, Pooja, interesting. Harshali, interesting. Very nice. Mahesh, okay. Okay, yes, great. We have wonderful, wonderful audience. Very nice. Atharv, Tanaya. Very nice, wonderful. Yes, there are opportunities in the market. Very nice. So, should I tell you my take on it, whether it is slow, uh, or there are a lot of opportunities? Guys, there are opportunities for qualified people. So understand, guys, market is looking for qualified people. Market is looking for skilled people, people with some good qualities like dedication. Like, people are looking for dedicated, committed, uh, I would say smart working, uh, ready to adapt, in the sense flexible people. This is what industry is looking for. These are the skills you have to cultivate. ये चीजें तुम्हें cultivate करनी होगी. These are the qualities: dedication, commitment, smart working, flexible. Understand, guys, today it's surcharged with faithlessness, in the sense that trust is lacking in the market. मार्केट में बहुत कम ट्रस्ट है. लोग चाहते हैं कि फटाफट चेंज करे जॉब्स. पीपल वांट टू चेंज द जॉब्स इन 6 months, इन 3 months. फटाफट नया जॉब मिले, 1 लाख एक्स्ट्रा पैकेज मिल गया, फटाफट जॉब चेंज करते हैं. So guys, understand, this is the repercussion. Industry is not trusting the candidates. So you have to show that dedication, you have to show that commitment to the industry, that yes, I am ready to dedicate, I am ready to commit. Okay, ठीक 2 years I will work with you. Okay, you have to show that commitment to your HR. When you're giving HR interview, in the interview you have to show that commitment, that yes, even if there will be troubling times, even if there would be challenging times in the company which you joined, you have to show, you have to tell that commitment is there. Like you have to give some practical case studies जिसमें तुम्हें challenging time मिला. Like think about it, you got some challenging time in your project. तुम्हारे project तुम कर रहे थे, बहुत सारी problems आई, and then you did not leave that project just because it is difficult. You worked on it, you put extra efforts on it, and then you really, like there are some uh, there are some people who are having 5+ years of experience or something, uh, or some experience 3+ years or something. So would you like to share that? Can you, some of you, unmute and speak that जब तुम्हें इंडस्ट्री में रहते हुए you got difficult times, you did not give up and you fought it, you put dedication, and your boss, your company appreciated that. Yes, someone would like to tell that about the dedication or the commitment thing you showed in your project, maybe in your BTech project or somewhere, or even in your industry project. Yes, somebody would like to share about that, how you got the feedback from the industry that yes, your managers, your seniors, they really appreciated that commitment or that dedication. Anyone? Okay, I would like to share myself. Understand, guys, that today I have some really challenging thing at my place. Uh, some kind of health issue with my family members. So still, I know that this is very important class for all of you, for me as well, and for my institute. So I'm taking some extra. I'm going one step. I know I took a small step because I'm anyway. They gave me work from home. I took a small step, but then yeah, um, I in my understanding that was a commitment from my side. So this is what is industry is going to value, even if technology is changing, even if how many of you agree that let's say you learn the technologies, you are फ्लेक्सिबल टू लर्न न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, जैसे अभी पावर बीआई पढ़ा जाएगा, टैबलू पढ़ा जाएगा, क्लाउड पढ़ा जाएगा, यू आर फ्लेक्सिबल टू लर्न न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, टाइप एफ इन द चैट बॉक्स. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर रेडी कि नहीं सर, हमने जो सीखा है हम आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, वी वांट टू ग्रो अहेड एंड वी विल बी फ्लेक्सिबल. हम नया टेक्नोलॉजी आएगा, वी वुड अडाप्ट टू इट. ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे कि नहीं नहीं मैंने तो जावा पढ़ा है, नाउ आई वुड नॉट अडॉप्ट टू पाइथन, आई नो, ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कोई. ओके, सो यस, दैट्स व्हाट इंडस्ट्री इज लुकिंग फॉर. सो गाइस, अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यू आर रेडी टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल, इफ यू आर रेडी टू बी स्मार्ट वर्किंग, इफ यू आर डेडिकेटेड, इफ यू आर कमिटेड, सो अगर ये चीज़ें तुम है तुम में और ये प्रैक्टिस करते हो, श्योरली देर आर जॉब्स, देर आर पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू एंगेज यू फॉर श्योर. आई गारंटी यू दैट. एंड मैं उसके ऊपर जाता हूँ बिकॉज सी 20+ years आई एम सीइंग थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. इतने सारे केसेस देखे मैंने, इतने स्लो डाउन देखे, मिनिमम 4 to 5 स्लो डाउन्स आई हैव फेस्ड माई सेल्फ. सो I have seen that not only dedicated, committed, smart working, flexible people get jobs, they get hikes. ऐसा नहीं है. स्लो डाउन, वर्स्ट ऑफ द स्लो डाउन, कोरोना में लोग निकल रहे हैं, मर रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे डबल प्रमोशन हो रहा है. 2008 slowdown, 2013 slowdown, 2020 slowdown, 2022 slowdown. Everywhere I have cases. I can give you, actual their names and LinkedIn profiles. You can contact them. They got hikes. It's not that key. I'm joking. So guys, understand that first thing is, तुम्हें ये समझना होगा कि what people value. लोग मार्केट में वैल्यू क्या करते हैं. अगर ये चीज समझ में आ जाए तुम्हें, वो क्वालिटीज, वो स्किल्स तुम दिखाओ, Communication. One more very important thing is communication. You need to be flexible to update your communication. तुम्हें बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल होना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें लर्न करना पड़ेगा, वो गिव अप करना पड़ेगा इजी वे आउट कि भाई हिंदी में बोल देते हैं ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, हिंदी में सुन लेते हैं क्लास. आई एम टेलिंग यू, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री पीपल coming into your classes and they will not touch to Hindi. The whole class will be in English. Full class will be in English and you have to understand that. You have to repeat it. तुम्हें recording मिलेगा. You will be given recordings. You have to see that recording. That will be dedication from your side. So we would give you industry professionals who just completely speak in English, and you have to adapt to that communication skills. You have to learn how to speak. There will be communication classes where you will be given assignments to speak and those things. You should be showing that commitment to us in matter of communication. Okay guys, because industry wants communication. Okay, agar communication mein tum weak ho, how many of you think you are weak in communication? Type W in the chat box. How many of you think you are medium, average level? Type A in the chat box. If you think weak, W A, and if you're thinking excellent, type E in the chat box. Okay, Atharva says average, Shirin says W. Excellent. Okay, wonderful. Average, weak. Okay, excellent. Wonderful. We have a wonderful crowd here. Some of excellent, some of average, some of weak. So guys, understand that तुम्हें communication पे काम करना होगा. Okay, and we will make sure as a team to give you this course. We will make sure that uh, there is communication things offered to you, communication classes, communication assignments. The industry experts are going to give you assignments where your communication will put to test. So that time you have to uh, come up with that. Okay, so wonderful. I'm very happy with the way you guys are interested. I am really excited to okay, join you as a trainer in this course. So guys, I think I extended my time. But yes, so guys, understand, please. I think I addressed your main concerns about job, about what is AI doing, about what is data science. Why are we talking about data science and AI today in this world? So guys, I would say a final note before I hand over to my colleague. That guys, one thing, the course design is very wonderful. The technologies which we are going to teach you, the course curriculum will be to the part with the at par with the industry requirements. Our trainers are dedicated. They are inspiring trainers, and they will be expecting dedication from you, commitment from you. Industry, if you want jobs, guys, our training team, our placement team is very dedicated. I have seen them. I have been working with this team since last 6 7 years, and I have seen their dedication. I will say that from my placement team, there would be 100% dedication for each one of you. Each one of you. You can ask the alumni. You can find out our track records, especially with the placements, especially with the trainings. We are dedicated in that manner. And so, if from our side we are doing our best to get you placed, from our side we are 100% confident that we are doing our best. From your side, understand industry is going to require dedicated people, flexible people, smart working people. So please be adaptable in communication, please be adaptable in technology, please be dedicated towards the assignments and those things which are given. Show your commitments, show your dedications, even if there will be tough times. टफ टाइम आएगा, तुम्हारे घर में कुछ तो चल रहा होगा, तुम्हारे कॉलेज में कुछ तो चल रहा है, एंड यहाँ पे सैटरडे संडे कुछ तो कर रहा है, फिर भी तुम डेडिकेटेडली कर रहे हो. It is going to show your commitment and surely it will help you understand. So I would say with this introduction to data science and AI and the course, I'd like to hand over. Preeti madam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So we have, rather, you would be witnessing two of our wonderful trainers today, Preeti Take ma'am and Sushma Hattarki ma'am. And Preeti Take ma'am, she is coming from software background. She has a wonderful, I think, 6+ years of experience in software training, handling, mentoring students with various technologies. I have seen her since last 4 years in my team, and she's really very flexible, smart working, dedicated in updating herself in various technologies, um, learning new things, new tools, adapting herself. And I'm sure that she would be, when she would be training you on Tableau, Power BI, and allied tools of data science, data analytics, these tools surely, when she will be teaching you, you will surely experience that her commitment, her flexibility, her smart work, her communication skills, you would experience and you would be inspired to take up that. And also we have Sushma Hattarki ma'am. She is also very committed. I think 8 years plus experience. I've uh, worked with her in since last 6 years or so. I've seen her dedication, her mentoring, her updations in the skills, updation in communication, way she communicates things, and way she is concerned with the students' improvement. She will be taking your Linux cloud sort of things. So she has wonderful experience in networking and operating system, and she has worked with a lot of technologies, industry trainings, and she has sometimes taken trainings along with me for DRDO and Air Force and those things for industry. So you would surely experience her dedication, commitment, smart working, and flexibleness in these sessions. So, guys, all the best. And surely, I hope many of you to join. And surely, together, we will have some wonderful sessions going ahead. So, myself, Dr. Shantanu, thank you for your patience. And I hope you had a wonderful masterclass for this, and you would enjoy this upcoming sessions of Tableau and I'm sorry, not Tableau. I think she has Power BI or Tableau. I'm not sure. Priti Take madam will be taking, and then something about cloud. So, which is part of this masterclass. So, guys, stay tuned, and yes, thank you very much. Yes. So, Priti ma'am, please take over.